Okay, gonna do a quick shop tour of my projects here. You ever look at your life and just wonder, how did it become such a mess? Anyways, so here's my first project, 1985 Toyota pickup. See, right here is the old engine. Under there is the new engine. Gonna put that in there. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, that's empty. It's gotta go right here. Anyways, organizing my tools. Been working on that for about 30 years. Should be done in another like 9 or 10 years. Yeah, something like that. It's a VR6. Love those engines. Anyways, all right. Oh, gotta show you my tiny tool collection. That's my favorite. All right, so here's my tiny tool collection. Let's take a look here. Just get this open here and see here. Okay, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so let's see. We got some tiny wrenches, tiny screwdrivers, tiny rulers. That's nice. Some more tiny screwdrivers. So down here we got. Oh, look at that, little tiny C-clamps, some tiny knives. Yeah. Eyeglass repair kit. Some tiny wrenches here. There we go. Tiny pliers. Anyways, let me show you what else I got. Of course, can't forget the tiny vices here. These are pretty cool. Next to the, ooh, look at that. Yeah, it's my vintage tool collection. Inherited this from my grandpa. He was a very talented carpenter. Love vintage tools, such high quality. Oh, got to show you what my grandpa made here. He was very resourceful. He would make his own tools. Look at this. Well, it doesn't have a blade in it right now, but this is a little motorized scroll saw he made, if that's what you want to call it. Pretty cool. Okay, let's take a look, see what I got in my storage building here. This is super cool, little Honda Acti microvan. Oh, there's my canoe. Haven't gotten to take that out yet this year. Let's take a look in here. Let's get the door open here. Let's get... Okay, yeah, got the door open. Anyways, yeah, it's got a mini disc player here. That's really cool. This thing is a lot of fun. I like to turn it into a A-Team van replica. Call it the B- team. Should be done with that project in probably like seven or 8 years. Anyways, got a Winnebago here. Yeah, it's a really nice Winnebago. It's got a 440 in it. Like to take that. Oh, big tire up here. Yeah, it's a big tire. Oh, let's see. Yeah, it's really big. As you can see next to my hand. Oh, I can't even fit it in the screen here. Okay. Anyways. Okay, where was I? Yeah, Winnebago 440. Love to put that 440 in my Dodge Dakota. This belonged to my good friend Dan that passed away in 2010. Miss him so much. Love to get this thing back on the road. It's got a little bit of rust there, so I got this Dakota over here to be a parts donor. And another Dakota hiding back there. Get a better look at that. Oh, got 2 CRXs. These need a little bit of... there's no engine in there, just a couple tires. There's another scoot through here. Got another CRX back here. This one used to have a K24 in it. Blew that up. Anyways, that needs a... Okay, got a C6 here selling for a friend. Ooh, another 85 Toyota pickup. Man, love these trucks. Unfortunately, got to sell this one. Could use the money. And my first car I ever got, 1988 Pontiac Fiero GT. This has over 200,000 miles on it. Yeah, love this car. 80s-tastic pop-up headlights. Cool car. Anyways, here's my dually. As you can see, a deer hit me at 80 miles per hour. Did some damage. These fenders are hard to find. There's the shroud from the jet engine I used to have. Got rid of that last year. It's a Fiero again. Here's the other Dodge Dakota. This one's probably too nice to be a parts donor, but doesn't have a title, so let's see what I can do with that. And it's my brother's truck and some bicycles over here. And here's my 2007 Audi S4 Avant. Love this car. Right now it needs some brake work, and it's parked because they're ripping up the road out front. I don't like to drive it on gravel. Charging the battery here. It's got this big, beautiful V8. And the best part, let's see here. Get this. Come on. There's the best part. 6-speed manual and 3 pedals. Oh yeah. And this has a Fast Intentions full racing exhaust on it. It sounds amazing. I'm gonna do a video of this car pretty soon once I get it back on the road. Anyways, that's what I got going on. So more projects than I can ever finish. Life is a mess. Optimistic, but yeah, follow along to see how I do.